How do you pull real estate comps the way an appraiser does? You start with closed sales, not listings. Within about a mile in a suburb, closed in the last 6 months, within roughly 20% of the subject's square footage, same property type, and similar condition. 3 to 6 of those beat 20 loose ones. Size band is a hard rule for a reason. Once a comp drifts far from the subject in square footage, price per square foot stops behaving in a straight line, and your adjustment turns into guesswork carrying a decimal point. And here is the part almost every explainer skips. Distance is a proxy for market, not the thing itself. A sale 4/10 of a mile away that sits across a school district line, a city boundary, a highway, or into a different HOA is a worse comp than one a full mile away inside the same neighborhood. Cross that line and you import another market's pricing into your subject and the number comes out wrong in a direction you will not notice. Then condition, which is the piece the public data almost never carries. We were featured by Redfin on what appraisers look for when determining value. Our CMA report pulls condition-graded comps from one address, link below.